Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we delve into the art of hotel upgrades. How can you transform your stay from standard to superior? Let's explore. Picture this. You've just checked into a hotel. It's the off-peak season. The corridors are quiet, the staff are relaxed. This is the perfect time to secure an upgrade. Why? Because hotels often have more availability during these periods. With fewer guests to accommodate, they may be more inclined to offer you that luxurious suite you've been eyeing. So the first tip, book during the low season, and you might find yourself in a suite instead of a standard room. Moving on to our second tip, join a hotel loyalty program. It's a well-known fact that hotels love to reward their loyal customers, and one of the ways they do this is by offering room upgrades. It's a win-win situation, really. You get to enjoy superior accommodations, and they get to build a lasting relationship with a satisfied guest. Now, let's transition to our third tip, using a hotel-branded credit card. These cards often come with a host of benefits, one of which could be potential room upgrades. It's like having a secret key to unlock a world of luxury. Remember, loyalty pays off, and using a hotel-branded credit card can be your golden ticket to a better room. Our fourth tip, pay for a slightly more expensive room. It may seem counterintuitive, but showing a willingness to invest a bit more in your stay can often open doors, or in this case, better rooms. Hotels are keen to reward those guests who demonstrate a readiness to splurge a little. Now, on to the final tip. Check in later in the day. As the day progresses, hotels have a better understanding of their room availability. This means they might be more inclined to grant an upgrade to those late arrivals. A small investment might lead to a big upgrade, and remember, patience is a virtue. Checking in later might just land you that suite you've been dreaming of. There you have it, 5 tips to increase your chances of a hotel upgrade. Remember, book during the off-peak season, join the hotel's loyalty program, use a hotel-branded credit card, opt for a slightly pricier room, and check in later in the day. Try these out during your next hotel stay, and you might just find yourself in a room that exceeds your expectations. Thank you for watching, and remember, a little strategy can go a long way in securing that coveted upgrade.